Hello everyone, welcome in. David Tatera here. I'm going to share a little tech tip video today with you. Recently, my business partner and I decided to take a flyer on some tokens, some Safemoon, some safemars, happy tokens, some of those, moonshots where you put a little bit in and you see what the heck happens. But in the process, ran into some problems. There's a dreaded no provider error. It seems to be really common. A lot of people running into it. I read a lot about it. But I didn't find a lot of good solutions online. And it took me a while, and I did some searching, and eventually I figured it out. It's pretty easy, actually. So rather than leave you stuck, I'm going to put together a quick video, and I'm going to let you follow along on my phone as I get past that dreaded no provider error. All right? If you enjoy the video, please click that like button, whether it be over there or whether it end up over there. If you're a big fan of these, hit the subscribe button and make sure you get all the newest and best tech tips, crypto tips, whatever I can come up with to help you along my journey. All right? Aloha, let's dive right on in. All right, as you can see here, I've got my Android phone pulled up, and I'm going to pop on over there and tap on the Chrome and pull up PancakeSwap.finance in my Chrome browser. So this is what most people do when they're starting and trying to get onto PancakeSwap. So once you're on here, the next thing you're going to want to do is click that connect button up in the top right hand corner to connect your Trust wallet. And it pulls up a little screen like this, or your Metamask wallet, whatever one. But you'll notice for most of us, when you click on connect, no provider was found, provider error. And there aren't a lot of answers for how to solve this, but really it's actually pretty simple. The main problem is that you're using the wrong browser. So now go back to your Trust wallet or whatever wallet you're using, and you'll see at the bottom there's that little DApps thing. That's actually a DApps web browser. It's a Web 3.0 browser that is capable of using smart chain assets. So anytime, whether it's Uniswap or PancakeSwap, any of those exchanges, you want to do it from that browser. Now, if you happen to have an iOS thing, mine's an Android phone. If you have iOS, there's one extra step you're going to have to do, and I'm going to link to this description in the comments down below. But basically, you have to add that DApp browser step on there. So you can see this picture of a iPhone, and it does not have it. It only has the wallet, the exchange. It doesn't have the DApps portion. So there's a little link here. You need to pull open a Safari browser with no tabs in it, an empty Safari browser, and you're going to want to click on that trust browser _ enable. That I'm going to leave a link to also in the comments down below in the description. But once you click on that, like it shows here, you're going to see it pop open that little thing where it says cancel or open, and you click the open. And the next thing you know, it's going to start allowing you to access the DApps browser from your Trust wallet. So that's the quickest and best way for you to get that added. And once you have that added, whether it's Android or iOS, we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so now that we've got that added and we've got the DApps option down at the bottom of your browser, you're going to want to go back into your Trust wallet and click on that DApps link down at the bottom of your wallet, and it is going to pop you right over into what looks like a browser window. This is your DApps browser. Basically, it's a Web 3.0 browser that's able to operate off of the blockchain. And it takes a minute to load. I'm loading PancakeSwap here, but there's going to be one little step before we connect with our PancakeSwaps that we're going to want to make sure of. So if you notice up at the top right-hand corner of my screen, there's a little icon there. I'm going to highlight it, and it looks like the BNB icon for Binance because I'm operating on the Binance chain right now. But you're going to want to click on that little icon and make sure that it is set to the correct network that you want to operate on. So whether you're doing this on an Ethereum network or a Binance network or whatever network you're buying these tokens on, you're going to want to click on that and make sure that it's the same one. So like I said, I'm using Binance tokens, so I'm going to click on it, and it's going to pull up a little list of all the different options that I have where I can connect to different types of networks. And when it pulls that up here in just a second, I'm going to select Binance and make sure Smart Chain, the second one down, not Ethereum Classic or Thunder Token, but I'm wanting to connect to the Smart Chain. That's where I'm going to do my buying. So I click on Smart Chain. Now I know that the web browser is using the right protocols. So now I need to actually connect it. So there's that little blue button up in the top right-hand corner that says connect. That's our next thing. Once we click on that, it's going to go and it's going to pull straight from our wallet that we're inside of right now. You're going to pick which one. I'm inside a Trust wallet, so I say I want to connect it to my Trust wallet, and I click on that piece. And instead of seeing that thing that says connect then, suddenly it's going to pull up that right there, which tells me I have now connected it to my Trust wallet. I can go, I can trade, I can make exchanges, I can do whatever I need to from this point. So that should get you up and running in PancakeSwap. If you have enjoyed it, please click on the subscribe button and join me for other great videos. If you're still struggling, there's another video I'm going to be putting out shortly that shows you the entire process of how to pull it up in PancakeSwap and me actually going through and buying some Safemoon. So click on the video above here if you're interested in that, and you'll get to check it all out. All right? Thank you again. Aloha.